Hey guys, Anthony here, Bibles and Barbells. Today's video, we're going to do a recent coin purchase that I picked up from AppMex. Those of you that watch my channel know that I have been pretty avid collector of coins going back to, since about the early to mid 1990s. And so with all that's been going on in the world, especially this past year, I made it a point to switch some investing into paper assets, from paper assets, into precious metals, gold, silver, 90% silver, like you see here, platinum, etc. So one of the things that I did to ensure that I have a constant flow of dollars going into a fund, much like a stock fund, like you would have a 401k fund. AppMex has a branch or a wing of its company called One Gold, and I opened an account over the summer based off of some videos that I saw Florida Stacker do. And I put a set amount of money in there a month, and it goes into like a fund like your 401k would, and you can redeem it for cash back. You can redeem it for actual precious metals to actually hold them physically, like I did here. And so when the account gets to a certain amount, I go in, I look at it, and I say, hey, I'm going to redeem or purchase back, $300 worth of metal, gold or silver, and physically hold it. So when you look at your One Gold account, you see what you're invested in. You see your account just like you do a 401k. It goes up and down with the market, the precious metals market. If you look and do some research, you'll find that it's been manipulated, I guess. In fact, one of the big brokerage houses, JP Morgan Chase, I think got like a multi-billion-dollar fine, or maybe it was a billion-dollar fine, for colluding or helping suppress these precious metals markets. And so, because based on the economy that we have right now that's crashing, gold and silver should be much higher than they are now. So they're being artificially manipulated, but it still makes a great choice to actually hold real money of real worth in your hands and get yourself out of paper stocks or even paper dollars that may crash one day and not be worth anything. So like you see here, I put a certain amount of money a month, and then I redeemed it. And so this week I redeemed it for 5 silver buffalo rounds. These are buffalo 1-ounce silver buffaloes. These, I believe, are from the Highland Mint. There's another version from another mint, but this is 3/9 fine silver, no face value on this. So 1 troy ounce of silver, looks just like a silver dollar. And this design is based off of James Earl Fraser's design from 1913 that he used on the Buffalo nickel. That's why it may look familiar to some people. Beautiful coin, a great way to invest in silver, a great way to put silver away. And like I said from previous videos, what I try to do is I buy these tubes that hold 20 silver dollars. And so this one here that I'm trying to finish off has, I just put a little piece of tape up here. It's got 7 2016 American Eagles and then 3 other American Eagles of various dates, some key dates that I wanted in my collection. And so in there are 10 silver eagles. And the silver eagles look like this for those of you that may not have seen it. So this is a 2016 silver eagle. You can see that. Beautiful coin. Actually one of my most collected coins. 1 ounce silver and $1 face value. but contains 1 ounce of silver, which I didn't check today, but silver is in the $18 to $19 range per ounce. And these buffaloes I picked up for $26.64 each. So 5 of them, $133.20. And then I picked up a tube of 1964 or earlier dimes, 90% silver dimes. So coinage back in 64 or earlier. Dimes, quarters, half dollars were 90% silver. So it's a great way here to get smaller fractional amounts of silver in the 90% silver category. So I'm an avid proponent and collector of different types of the 90% silver, which in this one I picked up that roll of dimes for $93.45 for a total investment $226.65. My One Gold account gives me free shipping. It's usually a lot faster than ordering. Some benefits you get. The only thing with the One Gold is if you're redeeming it for the metals, they have a list of metals that you can purchase on their page, which is no problem for me. And so that's what I went ahead and did. And so now I hold the physical asset. And so I'll add 5 more to this tube, and I'll need 5 more 1 ounce coins to fill this tube and make it an even tube of 20. And then I'll put it up and start another one. So that's how I acquire. This is generally how I acquire silver, mostly in the silver dollar or rounds. Fill up the tube, put the tube of 20 away. Also put away 90% silver rolls or single, or just single amounts. You don't have to buy a roll. You could buy, assorted amounts of 90% silver. And again, a great way to hold actual real money. So that's my video today. Just wanted to let you guys know that. I'll put the link for AppMex. I also use a company called SD Bullion, which I really like. So between AppMex, SD Bullion, and my One Gold account is where I primarily get my bullion from. So there you have it, guys. That's my video today on that. Questions or comments? But as a prepper, I highly recommend you put away real money that you hold in your person or on your person or somewhere where you can retrieve it in the event of an emergency. Okay, thanks for joining me, guys. Stay ready. Anthony signing off. Take care.